A once restricted supplement is back on the market, giving people a simple way to support energy, metabolism, and overall vitality. Here to unpack more on the once niche vitamin, let's welcome back Chris Jackman, nurse practitioner at Carolina Holistic Medicine. Good to have you back.
Good to see you again.
All right, so when I brought this up, it really coincided with what you've been hearing from your patients.
Yeah.
We're talking about NMN or NAD. So tell our audience what that is if they haven't heard of it before.
Yeah, so NMN is a molecule that our body naturally makes, and its job is the precursor to NAD+, which then gets converted to ATP, which is our energy source for our cells, which then supports our mitochondria, which is the backbone to our cells, the driving force to energy. So it's kind of a way to give our body the ingredients it needs to make what it needs to function and work really well.
So if you were shopping for supplements, you would be looking for NMN.
Yeah, so the supplement may say NAD+, but the ingredient is NMN.
It is, okay.
Yeah.
How long had it been on the market before it was taken off?
Yeah, it was on the market for a few years, and there's not a whole lot of data that supports like negative side effects from it, other than if you get high doses via IV infusion, and then you may get flushing, headaches, nausea, pretty minor.
Yeah.
But the pharmaceutical companies were trying to kind of take this supplement and turn it into a anti-aging medication.
Right.
And so they took it off the market to do some testing, and from 2022 to now, it's been off the market.
Wow, so it just came back on the market.
Yeah.
So what it sounds like to me is some of these pharmaceutical companies, they caught on to the supplement. It's a naturally occurring supplement, right? That did promote anti-aging and tried to figure out a way to make a buck off of it.
It's not the first time. They do it with lots of different things.
Yeah.
And the difference is if you can't make a medication out of a natural supplement, something that occurs in nature, but if you make it in high enough doses that is unnatural, you can make it into a medication.
Does that also mean synthesizing it?
Yes, usually they will. It has to be synthetic to get those high levels. So they'll make it synthetic, they'll make it at very high levels, and then able to sell it as a medication.
But now that it's back on the market, and we've been seeing a lot of it on social media popping up, people have been talking about NMN and NAD+.
Yeah.
Everyone wants the next best anti-aging supplement. So would you say that this is it?
This is it for sure right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long does it take to really see the effects?
So NMN or NAD+ absorbs very quickly in our body. So whether you take it as a supplement, a pill, or a liposomal spray, or an IV, obviously the IV is probably the fastest absorbed. Liposomal is probably second, but
what
even
is
as
that?
Liposomal is in your saliva. So you spray it into your mouth and it absorbs into your saliva.
Okay.
As a pill, it goes through a few different pathways and actually absorbs pretty quickly. So within 15 minutes to an hour, you can start to feel the benefits of better energy, better brain function, better memory, better metabolism, and over time really kicks in.
Does it work effectively for both men and women?
Yes.
It does,
yes.
Okay. Do you recommend it for younger people? Is this a part of a child's supplement regimen?
Anyone in their teens, I've been recommending it to.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And for several things, thyroid, gut health, helps with kidney injury. So it's not just like anti-aging, there's some benefits for like acute issues as well.
Right. I thought it was fascinating the fact that it was taken off store shelves and people were denied
access start thinking to it. Like, what do they know that we need to find out?
Well, exactly. So now it's back on the market, but it sounds like it's not in every vitamin store. It's still a little.
And you have to be careful. You know, as great as Amazon is, you know, we order a supplement or something, and the next day or even later that day, it'll pop into your, a picture onto your email saying it's there. As great as it is, there's no regulation over things like Amazon. So you may be getting a supplement you think is NMN, NAD, and it may not be a very good supplement. It may have fillers or chemicals in it that you don't want. So we recommend getting it from a good source.
Right.
We recommend certain ones.
Yes, exactly. So I was going to say, you know, if anybody has any questions about it, they can certainly contact you, and you can get access to it. I saw that there was also a California supplier,
right,
which is one of the very few, if not the only one at this moment, that's domestic.
Yeah, they're the ones that I would say kind of led the charge in bringing it out and getting the information out about it. And now there's a handful of different companies who do a good job making it, and that's going to continue to grow. Obviously, as hot as this is right now, more and more companies are going to jump on that bandwagon. And to exalt its efficiency, its effectiveness, what would you recommend taking in addition to NMN? Yeah, so you want to make sure that your gut is healthy. So a lot of times, like a good probiotic or a digestive enzyme, ways to make sure your metabolism is high and you're making the most out of the supplement. You also want to make sure you're getting good sleep. You want to make sure that you're staying active and exercising. All the good, healthy lifestyle things, so that way you're not counting on the supplement to be a miracle drug, but you're counting on it to accentuate what you're already doing. Wonderful. Chris Jackman, thank you so much. Really interesting stuff. Carolina Holistic Medicine, you got to give him a call. We'll be back after this.